MLA Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin Aridengpen Dolamara Bagan Higher Secondary School Kimi Kangpu. Number 26 Dwarbergari Constituency Keparlo Dolamara Bagan Higher Secondary School Ingpupon Tanglo. Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker MLA Dr. Numal Momin Aridengpen. Bharatiya Janata Party Bharata Dangalong Sarkar Nangchari Deadpen Preg Chekaching Thuramu Kethek Ponlong Ateng Pen Karbianglong ang Kangalong Satami Ongdung Kaching Thurasai ke Klempon Asonsi Pini Dolamara ang Kangalong Kedo Dolamara Bagan Higher Secondary School Kimialong Pini MLA ang Parta Assam Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin Aridengpen Ingpupon Tanglo Bangso Jai Megalong Ongdung Dolamara Baganalong Kedo T Tribe Atumpen Chenglok Labang Sohem Tikim Vet Contractor Engineer Lapen BJP Party Claim Rapet Nili Block Chairman Sanjay Teron Social Worker Tarzan Terang Dhuniram Rongphar Rajan Ingti Atum Penchenglok Ongdung Party Claim Rapet Atum Chetong Dunsi Pinia Jaimek RDP May Dobama Huradhi Sarpo Mominika Hypen Kachitong Dun Arwaratuma Pan Non Kivanji MLA election Sitami BJP Pan Kroy Tipsi Pahaibek Nanji Lapen ke Hailu Ute Kaching Thur Amoda Paprangdun Pikpo Lapen Bokajan constituency ke Asama Longpen Kaching Thur Nai a constituency si Nang Manpo Pasi Ningjepong Lapen Nike Majoka Phanta Akha ke Nike Radasai ke Klemabang Athene ke Dr. Amonita Pot Radaphan ke Inghon Opu Hei Huelam Jumesen Pen Kachatong Arwadatum Anglu Jaisi Mesen Pen Jaimek Pachonpon Pusi Nilitum News First Karbiang Long Pherangki Tarapung Pen Joy Singh Teron News First Karbiang Long Sahemalong Birta Nangpali.
So I am very happy that for the last 9.5 years I could able to develop my constituency. Not only Dolamra.
I received a lot of developmental schemes. We have to complete like Dolamra Road and Dhadora Hospital and Dhadora Bridge.
Everything is undergoing construction. So sometimes what's happened because of the rain, they could not able to bring that materials which is required. Now it is a rainy season is over. The work will resume. Definitely those work will be completed. Yesterday PWD review I took. Tomorrow I am going to take Jal Jeevan Mission review. Day after tomorrow I will take both the Nilip and Bokajan block review. So I will see what are the work is pending, what are the work has not been completed. So I will give my more effort to complete those works. Now it is a dream of the people of Porpong Tarapong. The road has been sanctioned, construction is going on. The construction speed is little bit slow. Yesterday I have instructed this PWD engineer to put pressure on the contractor so that work can be faster than previously the working. So we need the construction to be completed as per due time. 2 years is sanctioned, so within 2 years they have to complete it. So can you imagine that Dorpong Tarapong will get a road? If I have not become MLA, not a single MLA from Bokajan before me they reach Dorpong Tarapong. But I took truck, 4-wheeler truck I took, and then 2017 I went to Tarapong. So I am a person that I like the challenges. So I went there and then I promised them that I will construct this road within my tenure. But 5 years I could not be able to do that. Next tenure I make it success. So now many places the road construction has been done. Education institute they got. Other drinking water facilities also they are getting. So I am not that much happy with the JJM work, but I am having review tomorrow. So 50% JJM is functioning, 50% is not. So that non-functional JJM should be functional so that our poor people get pure drinking water, so that their health can be protected with this pure drinking water. So I am very happy. So wherever the work is not done, definitely step by step work will be done. So far from my assessment, I have done 40% development from my constituency. Next 5 years it will be 60%. So it was earlier it was zero. Not a single MLA you can tell me a name. They have brought any development work for their own constituencies. So now I have changed the traditional practice of the Karbi Anglong MLA. that MLA cannot do work, MLA don't have power, MLA don't have money. It's not like that. So those MLAs were lazy. They could not able to judge their power, capacity, but because I came from the medical background, I came from the academic institute, people's need and people's problem. So that way I started working. Now Karbi Anglong having a new direction. Now the bad image of MLA is over. Now people started thinking that MLA can do everything. So we are doing everything. So we will work together with the council members who is like-minded. Many of them, they criticize me, but let them criticize. But I am working for the people. I am not working for me. I am not working for any leader who is after money. So it is my wisdom to work for the people who is suffering a lot. Now I believe through my work, many people will get the knowledge how work can be done. So if people are helping me throughout the time, I am very happy that all corner of the people, they love me, they respect me, they encourage me. So because of their love and affection, I get a strength to work for them. So Bukazan, another 5 years, Bukazan will be a different constituency. They cannot imagine what Bukazan is developing. But after 10 years, you see what happened in Bukazan as compared to other constituencies of Assam. Not only Karbi Anglong, I am telling Assam. So after 10 years, Bukazan will be in such a position that everybody will be appreciating, and Bukazan will become a model constituency. Thank you.